Welcome to Dropshipping Hustle. If you're thinking of starting a business in Connecticut, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps of forming an LLC in the Constitution state. Stick around for some important tips and a breakdown of all the costs involved. Don't forget to check the description below for more details. Why start an LLC in Connecticut? Starting a business can be an exciting and rewarding venture, but one of the first steps you'll need to take is forming a legal entity to protect your personal assets and set your business up for success. In Connecticut, forming a limited liability company, LLC, is a popular choice for entrepreneurs. An LLC offers the liability protection of a corporation with the tax flexibility of a partnership. If you're wondering how to start an LLC in Connecticut, don't worry. This comprehensive guide will take you through each step of the process, including all the legal requirements, fees, and services available to make the process smooth and affordable. Why choose an LLC in Connecticut? Before diving into the steps, it's important to understand why forming an LLC is beneficial. Here are some of the key advantages of choosing this business structure in Connecticut. Limited liability protection. Your personal assets, such as your home or car, are protected from business debts and legal liabilities. Pass-through taxation. LLCs generally don't pay corporate income tax. Instead, business profits and losses pass through to your personal tax return, avoiding double taxation. Flexible management structure. Unlike corporations, LLCs can be managed by members, owners, or designated managers, providing flexibility in how the company operates. Credibility. Starting an LLC can add credibility to your business, as it shows you're serious about following the legal requirements for operating a business in Connecticut. Step-by-step guide to starting an LLC in Connecticut. 1. Choose a name for your LLC. The first step in forming an LLC is selecting a unique name for your business. In Connecticut, your LLC's name must include the words Limited Liability Company or abbreviations like LLC or LLC. To make sure your desired name is available, you can do a business name search on the Connecticut Secretary of State's website. It's also a good idea to check for domain name availability if you plan to have an online presence. 2. Appoint a registered agent. Every LLC in Connecticut must designate a registered agent. This is the person or company responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of the business. Your registered agent must have a physical address in Connecticut and be available during business hours to accept service of process. You can act as your own registered agent, but many business owners prefer to hire a professional registered agent service. One of the most affordable and reliable services available is Northwest Registered Agent, which costs just $39 per year. They will handle all the necessary paperwork and ensure you meet the state's legal requirements. Check the link in the video description to sign up with Northwest Registered Agent today. 3. File the Certificate of Formation. Once you've chosen a name and appointed a registered agent, you need to file your LLC's Certificate of Formation with the Connecticut Secretary of State. This is the document that officially creates your LLC. The Certificate of Formation includes basic information about your LLC, such as LLC name, registered agent's name and address, address of the LLC's principal office, the name and address of the organizer, person filing the certificate. The filing fee for the Certificate of Formation in Connecticut is $120. You can file online or mail the completed form to the Secretary of State's office. 4. Create an operating agreement. While an LLC operating agreement is not required by Connecticut law, it is highly recommended. This document outlines the management structure of the LLC, the roles and responsibilities of its members, and how the business will operate. Having a clear operating agreement can prevent future conflicts among members and provide a roadmap for handling decisions related to the business. Even if you are the sole owner of the LLC, an operating agreement can help maintain a formal structure. 5. Obtain an EIN, Employer Identification Number. Almost all LLCs need an EIN from the IRS, even if they do not have employees. An EIN is like a social security number for your business, and you'll need it to open a business bank account, file taxes, and hire employees. You can obtain an EIN for free by applying online on the IRS website. The process is quick and easy. and you'll receive your EIN immediately upon completing the application. 6. Register for state taxes. Depending on your business activities, you may need to register for various state taxes in Connecticut. For example, if you sell products or services that are subject to sales tax, you will need to register with the Connecticut Department of Revenue Services, DRS, to collect and remit sales tax. If you plan on hiring employees, you will also need to register for state payroll taxes and unemployment insurance. 7. File annual reports. Connecticut requires LLCs to file an annual report each year to keep your business in good standing. The annual report is due every year by the anniversary of your LLC's formation, and the filing fee is $80. Filing can be done online through the Secretary of State's website. Be sure to keep track of the due date to avoid late fees or penalties. Cost breakdown for starting an LLC in Connecticut. When starting an LLC in Connecticut, there are several fees and costs involved. Filing the certificate of formation, $120. Registered agent service, optional but recommended $39 per year with Northwest Registered Agent. Operating agreement, free if you draft it yourself, or a small fee if you use a service. EIN application, free. State taxes and permits, fees vary depending on your business type and activities. Overall, the cost to start an LLC in Connecticut is relatively affordable. If you choose to use a professional registered agent service, like Northwest Registered Agent, the annual cost is $39, which can help ensure that all your legal requirements are met with ease. Ongoing maintenance for your LLC. Once your LLC is formed, there are a few ongoing requirements to keep your business in compliance. Annual report, file every year for $80. State taxes, stay up to date with any taxes applicable to your business, including sales tax, employment tax, and others. Operating agreement, keep your operating agreement up to date if your business structure changes. Thanks for watching this step-by-step guide on how to start an LLC in Connecticut. I hope this video has cleared up any confusion and provided you with the information you need to get started on your entrepreneurial journey. Don't forget to check the description for the link to Northwest Registered Agent, where you can get reliable and affordable service for just $39. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more business tips, and feel free to drop any questions you have below. See you in the next video.